Hi, this is the Walkers. We're so excited to share with you something we've been working really hard on. The kids are taking a course from Apex for Kids, and they are excited to earn money to be able to do some fun things with it. We want to help you find value in this, and these are some of the things that we would love to share with you. So number one, this is a course that as a mother, it is so cool to be able to have one night off of cooking per week. And as you cook with your kids, you really can transfer that skill to your kid and have them be responsible for one night a week of cooking a meal. Number two, it's an opportunity, and this is probably the most significant, that you can bond with your kids. It really does create a memory as you guys can have fun through this experience. And number three, it's fun. So have fun with your kids as well.
I'm gonna go on a cruise. Please buy our course. It'll give you skills and confidence.
It'll help you get relationships with your family. One time I made a cake with my mom and got first place. It was a really good memory. It'll also help you save money, so then you don't have to spend it all on fast food and all of that, and you can actually spend it on something healthy.
This course is really great because lots of kids my age and many who are older don't have the experience of learning how to cook, and they struggle and they have to spend their money on things like fast food, which is very unhealthy, and they could do much better.
This is so fun for the Walkers to be able to do this cooking course with you. Number one, for a parent, it is so nice to be able to have one night off a week that you don't have to cook. So as you cook with your kids, you're going to transfer that skill to your kid, and they'll be responsible to cook once a week. It'll be awesome. We're excited. Buy our course.